Howdy there. So I am going to use this right here. Hopefully it just works out for us. So I have my hair picked up today, and we're going out to a friend's house in, is this South Jersey? Yeah. So we're going to South Jersey. It's approximately an hour and some change. So we're headed over there now. And hopefully it will be a nice scenic road. You have to call to see if we could take the scenic road. Call them. Because I saw on my map thingy that you have to pay tolls. So maybe we want to take the scenic road. I have to say, babe, it is a beautiful day today.
It is a beautiful day. It's even sunny in PA.
Wait, how do you do that? What? I did it backwards?
No, you can do
I don't know how to do it. Okay. So you know where you go into that weird part of YouTube? Do I look weird with my glasses like this?
What? Weird part. Oh.
Do I look weird?
Look like a bumblebee.
I'm sorry. My eyes are very extremely sensitive, and my glasses unfortunately do not turn dark inside the car, only on the outside. So I need to do this like in here like this. I might look weird, but what I'm gonna say makes a lot of sense. So anyways, I went into, let me put this right here. And I want you to see your face too, I guess.
Mine?
Anyways, I went into the weird part of YouTube yesterday.
The weird part?
I went into, first is the pimple popping. That's what I mean by the weird part of YouTube. Like, you don't even know how you get there, but you do. But I didn't go there. I went into the cracking and adjusting. And all I wanted to do was hear the cracking of the neck and in the back.
Yeah.
And just with that, it was therapeutic for me. Okay? So then I saw this video of a chiropractor. I don't know if they did that to you. I look weird, don't I?
Remind me of my 3rd grade teacher.
Alright. With lipstick on her teeth.
With red lipstick? You don't have that on your teeth.
I have to, babe. My eyes hurt. Alright, so
20 regular cash?
He took like this thing, the stick, and it had like something like this at the end, and it was like a gun, and he'll put it on a bone or on a muscle, and all you hear is
oh yeah, electric.
20, right?
20, yeah.
No, it's not electric.
Oh, he put patches on me that were electric, but they felt like he was like.
Oh, okay, but this guy had one of those guns, and the people used to jump.
They get scared, or?
They used to jump in pain. Oh. So I went and I looked it up, and it's a little machine that actually moves your bone without you having surgery.
Really? So if it's like.
Isn't that weird? It's for athletic people, like people into sports. That's what I'm gonna try to find. You saw how she jumped?
Yeah. That was a...
Let me get a better one. It looks like a gun.
Yeah. It looks like a shark.
It is. It moves your bone back into... See? Like he's feeling for it. He's like, oh.
Thank you.
That one hurted her.
I'm glad you noticed. Alright, so here we go, just the tailbone.
The camera.
So just look up chiropractor adjustment at WV Chiropractor, and you're gonna see this chiropractor adjusting a yoga instructor with this machine. Steady, 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 steady. Guatemala. This must be nice in the fall. You are not getting the view that I'm in. This does no. I can't even talk. It's so pretty.
It's like a ski slope over there.
It is.
Street, and the destination is on your left. The destination is on your left.
14, the corner
Adams Street.
That one right here.
Arrived.
We made it. It was approximately an hour and what?
35? No,
Really?
no, an hour and like 15, 20 minutes.
Oh. Oh,
Your boobs,
slushy. What's going on? I'm not recording you, okay? I just want to record. This is like blizzard type, right? When did it start? Do you know?
I know when service was over, somebody said, "Oh, it's snowing already."
It's another snow day. Snow day. Snow day. It is Sunday. Hi, babe. Oh man, I should have put my gloves on. Ooh, it's coming down hard. Yeah, time to put this away.